Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect cloud slime. So the things we're going to need are glue, mixing tool, and water and instant snow. So first we're going to add our glue and then add the same amount of water too. Then mix it. After you mix the water and glue, you can add your activator. Then mix it again. If it's still not the slime consistency, you can add a little bit more of activator. Or maybe a lot more if it's still not turning into slime. Okay, so now I have the jiggly base. Now we're going to add our instant snow. So guys, the instant snow that I use has no water, so it's not activated yet, so that the slime would absorb it because it's jiggly. It has water, so yeah. After that, we're just going to knead it until the slime absorbed the instant snow. Just keep on kneading and kneading because it would make the slime more absorb. It's gonna be much more faster. After you knead it, add a little bit more of instant snow without water. Then mix it again. Knead it. So my slime is kind of hard, so if it's hard like mine, add a little bit of water and then knead it. The slime is not like a cloud consistency yet, so we're going to add more instant snow, but this time we're going to add the water. Don't add too much of water because it's going to be bad, but yeah, just add a little bit. Don't make the snow clear, only white. But before that, we're just going to add a little bit of water. Okay, so I just added 2 more little water. So we're going to add lotion, and also we're going to add water to the instant snow. That's what I meant, a little bit of water. Now you can see that it looks like a cloud. Yeah, it's look like a cloud consistency, but not really like So you can add a little bit more and then knead it. After you've added that much, add the last tablespoon of water, and then also lotion, and then mix it. Knead it. The lotion makes the cloud slime stick together, so that's why it's not too crumbly like that. So it's so perfect. Now I'm going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it won't have any snowfall. there we go. The perfect cloud slime. But I wanted to add some designs to mine, so I'm going to separate it into 3 pieces, small pieces or whatever, and then add color pink, blue, and yellow food coloring, or maybe just coloring. It could be any. It could be just white. Now I'm going to put them into the container, and then there you have it. It's so cool. So I made it into like an ice cream. Looks so cool, guys. Now for the ASMR. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. It has a marble effect. After I mixed it, guys, it turned into this cool sea green color. So yeah, it's so nice. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and share. And also, guys, I wanted to tell you I have a giveaway on my recreating video, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to link it, or you can see it now. Bye.